Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears of War split screen on your Xbox One. First, you will need two Xbox One controllers. Connect both controllers to your console, making sure each one is powered on and recognized. Then, ensure that each controller is signed into a separate Xbox profile, whether it's a full account or a guest profile. This is the crucial first step to enable local co-op. Once your controllers are ready and profiles are signed in, launch your chosen Gears of War title. Many games in the series, including Gears of War Ultimate Edition and Gears 5, offer local split screen. Look for modes like Campaign, Horde, or Versus, which typically support two players on one console. Select the mode you wish to play with your teammate. With the game running and a co-op mode selected, it's time for the second player to join. Using their controller, player 2 should press the menu button, often indicated by 3 horizontal lines. This action should prompt them to join the session. You will then see their profile picture or gamer tag appear in your squad or lobby, confirming they are ready to play. Now you are all set to enjoy the intense action of Gears of War together. The screen will automatically split, typically into 2 distinct sections, allowing both players a clear view of the action. Remember to communicate with your teammate, especially during challenging encounters, to coordinate your attacks and revive each other. Have fun battling the Swarm or Locust Horde side by side.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.